Hello, sir. My name is Surendran Ganesan, and I'm the team leader for Team Jamaica. And with my team members, Imtiaz Ahmad, Nurul Sabrina, Imam Hassan, and Praveen Kumar, we have created the number one best buy and rent for movies, which we called as the Blockbuster. It's a buy and rent movie management system. The purpose of the Blockbuster. So the project objective of Blockbuster is to buy or rent all types of movies online. The program is an internet-based application that can be accessed throughout the net and can be accessed by staffs and customers. There are two consoles in Blockbuster. One is for the staffs and another one is for customers. The purpose of the program is for customers to choose any particular type of movie genres, the name of a movie, the type of movie purchase option, which are buy option and rent option. Movie purchase type, where customers can choose their chosen movies to be physical option and as well as digital option. And last but not least, the type of version for the particular chosen movie to be in maybe such as 4K, normal disc, collector's edition, and many more. This all has been added and implemented in the database by the staff from the staff console. Staff can edit the management system to add, delete, display, and save type of genres and movies from each genre for customers to choose from. The Blockbuster program can also print customer receipts after customer have chosen their movie likings. The customer receipts will be printed and save the data in a TXT file which can be seen in the receipt folder. The objective of this project is to develop a more efficient system to buy and rent movies online.
Good morning, I am Imtiaz Ahmad. Today I am going to present the developer part of our project. There are several options a developer can use. A developer can set configuration. There are one configuration available. Developer can set password. Uh, Developer can add genre and movie details into genre. So there are for more genre available. So developer can create genre. So genre is created. Developer can insert movie detail into a specific genre. So developer can insert movie name. Developer can insert more movie details. Developer can add, delete genre and movies from a specific genre. That genre is deleted from the database. Developer can also delete a specific movie. There are two movies available. So the movie is deleted from the database. Developer can update movies from a specific genre. So there are one movies available. So developer can choose one movie data type to update. So movie name is updated. structure, I have used double linked list to create genre and delete genre and update genre. Binary search tree for creating movie details. To delete genre, I have used a doubly linked list. To read movie details, I have used singly linked list. To write movie details, I have used singly linked list. To sort movie details by name, I have used insertion sort. To search movie details, I have used binary search. To update movie details, I have used singly linked list. To save movie details into file, I have used a singly linked list. To get movie index, I have used singly linked list and binary search. To display movie details, I have used a singly linked list.
Hello sir, my name is Praveen Kumar and I'll be explaining the part which I did, which is the user part. So for that I have to enter user number, which is number 2, and then here the customer will have to enter their details. For that I'm using the faker sir. Please enter your name. So then the customer have to enter their contact number. Then the customer have to enter their email address. The customer also have to enter their address. After that, the customer will be able to choose the genre. So far, there's a 2 genre called comedy and action. For example, if the customer wants to watch comedy genre, the customer will have to enter number 0. Then the movie will be listed out under the comedy genre. Then the customer have to pick either one of the movie. For example, the customer want to watch Tom and Jerry. The customer have to enter number 2. Then the movie details will be pop out. Then if the customer wants to go back, the customer have to enter -1. So he'll go back to the page. And the customer will be able to choose the other movie. That's all from me, sir. Thank you.
After choosing the type of genre and movie name, there are 2 options for customers to choose from, the buy option and the rent option. I will be presenting you on how the buy option works in the Blockbuster terminal. So firstly, customer needs to enter 1 for the buy option. Then customer needs to choose the movie purchase type, which are the physical version and the digital version. Physical version is an option for customers to buy their movies in CD, from whereas digital version is for customer to download the movies online. So, as a customer, I will be choosing the physical option for my movie. So, I will type in 1. Right after entering the number, the terminal will show varieties of version for customers to choose, such as Blu-ray, collector's edition, and many more, with each of them having different price point. So I will be choosing option C, which is the collector's edition. Once done, the terminal will notify the customer you have purchased Mortar movie to confirm that customer has already purchased it.
Hi, my name is Mama Sanisha, and basically I'm doing the rent part from the user side. So in rent part, the user can rent the movie by selecting the duration, and after the duration is expired, the link validity will automatically be invalid. So this is the code. We call a void function. Then the user can choose the duration of the movie for how many days they want to rent. And then we use some statement like try, while, if, else, also catch. The try statement allows you to define a block of code to be tested for error while it's been executed. And for the throw, this keyword is exception when a problem is detected. And you can see also this catch, and the catch statement will allow you to define a block of code to be executed, and if an error is occurred in the try block. Hello sir, so I will be presenting the rent option part of the program, and I'm going to show you the whole process of renting a movies in the terminal. So as a customer, I want to rent my chosen movie, so I'm going to enter option 2 for rent. And after that, customer can choose the type of movies version. There are only 3 types of movie version in the rent option with different prices. We can see HD, collector's edition, and also 4K. So I'm going to enter one of the option. So let's try C, 4K. Okay, after that the customers need to choose the duration of their movie rental. This is exclusively for rent option. All of the rental duration have different price points as well. The more the rental days, the more expensive it gets. So I'm gonna choose for option 2 for RM20 for 15 days. And finally, the terminal will notify the customer with the confirmation statement. So here you can see the confirmation that you have rented master movie, and the master is the movie name. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello sir. So right now I'm going to show you on how the terminal will actually save the data file of customer receipt in a TXT file, which should be contained in the receipt folder. So let me just go through the process of that. So of course, first of all, you have to type in 2 for user console. Okay, I want to buy a movie and I want to print out the receipt. So I obviously have to be the user. So once I print out, obviously it will come to the customer console. So this is actually the customer console. So I'm just going to write my name. Okay, and then I'm just going to enter my number, my email address, and then my address. Okay, so once I've filled in the information, we can actually see the genre display option, where staff has been implemented 3 types of genre, which is the comedy genre, action genre, and the romance genre. So as a customer, okay, I want to choose the first option, which is the action genre. So I'm going to type in 1 for action genre. So there's an available movie which is called master. So I'm going to enter the movie number to view the details of the movie. So once I press 0, it's going to show me the details of the movie named Master. So it has, the type, plot, rate, metascore, directed by, starring, release, and all of these complete details of that particular movie. So once I have seen all that, and once I want to buy, once I want to have the option to buy or rent the sun, they obviously customer has to type in the input whether they want to buy or rent the movie master. So for my case, I'm going to buy. So once I press 1 as buy, it's going to show another movie purchase, which is movie purchase type, where it can be physical or digital. So I'm just going to press 1 for physical. And then there's another option where you can choose the type of version of the movie. It can be normal disc, Blu-ray, collector's edition, and stuff like that, which has Sabrina has been presented to you in her video. So for example, I just want the 4K version. So once I have 4K version, once I choose 4K version, the terminal have already notified the customer which you have purchased the movie name master. So now I'm going to go to the receipt folder and show you the printed customer receipt. So I'm just going to press exit, -1 for exit, -1 for exit, and then obviously it's going to state thank you for using Blockbuster and come back and stay safe. So I'm going to off this and then go to the folder of the receipt, as you can see here. So the movie name master receipt is here, which have been purchased. Okay, so this is the customer receipt which I have purchased before in this video. So the customer receipt contains the name of the customer, contact number, the home address, email address, date purchased. We also display the time and date for the customer receipts to know when and what time they have purchased the movie, and the type of genre, which is action genre, and the name of the movie, which is called master. I've chose the 4K version of the movie, so it's going to state the movie version in 4K, and the movie price will be 50 ringgit, delivery charge will be 5, and the total amount will be 55 ringgit. So this is the overall customer receipt. So which will be printed in the receipt folder. So like this, it also implemented in the rent option, which I'll show you right now. Okay. Right now, sir, I'm going to show you the customer receipt for the customers who have been purchased in rent option. So obviously you need to type into for user console. Okay, I'm going to type in my name, my number, my email address, my address. Okay, so right now I'm going to choose romance genre. So I'm going to type in 2. So once I type in 2, there'll be an available movies. So there's available movie there. So I'm just going to type in the number 0 for Varnam Item. So once I press the movie tab, obviously it's going to show the details of the movie. So if as a customer, if I like means I will either choose buy or rent. So right now I'm going to show you the rent option. So the rent option I have to choose in number 2. Okay. So it's going to print out a different type of version. Okay. So there's HD, collector's edition, 4K. So there's only 3 types of version for rental option. So I'm going to go for collector's edition, which is B. So and then there's a choose type of version. This is the duration for the rent movie. So this extra days would be extra money. So this is the option for them to choose. So I'm going to go choose 3 for 50 ringgit for 30 days. Okay. So once I finish, it's going to state you have rented one item. So let me just show you the receipt for the customer's receipt. So I'm going to exit. Okay. So once I've purchased a rental movie, it's going to show here. It's going to come in the receipt folder. So as you can see, this is the receipt folder of rental option. So as you can see, it is exactly like the buy customer receipt for the buy option, but we added a link to download, a fake link to download, so that a customer who bought it in a rental version, they can just buy it. They can just download it using this link. So other than that, the movie price 10 ringgit, rent charge will be 50 ringgit. Rent charge will be included, and it will calculate the total amount, which is 500. So that's also, this is my presentation for the customer receipt, which will be stored and saved in the receipt folder. Thank you.